Well, we're working on a new toy today. So, we're taking the weapons off. You noticed? Let's put these to the side right now and let's get to transforming. I mean, hear that? If you can get the little fingernails in there. Next to Bumblebee. You see, he's a little bit taller than it. Let's go ahead and put his weapons on. Then, get another sword. Sorry, another TV. Put this right there. I'd rather leave this to the side. And here he is. And here he is next to the lizard killer. You see, this guy is a little bit taller than him. Because he has less gadget, and this guy has more. So, this is an action figure. Let's take this up. I'll be right back. And here he is next to Optimus Prime. Because there's Optimus Prime, he's a little bit taller. Watch this. He could just whack him. Yeah. He's a real good poser. Knee spin. Top bend. Elbow spin. There's a little tap right here that you have to tap this into. Goes upside down. Down. Goes up. It goes side to side. It comes off. Back. Now he has no head. It slides back on easily. He's not really Autobot because I put purple on him to show that he's not Autobot. It's just a tricky symbol. This guy's really Decepticon, but they did not realize he is one. They just thought he was an Autobot. Perhaps they forgot the shows. And now, with Optimus Prime. Of him killing Optimus Prime. Okay, that's all for today. Oh, wait, I forgot something. The Transformer back. Okay, the Transformer, unplug his arms. Get this part, lift it, close it, take its feet, and put them like that. Go ahead and take his gadgets out. Put his arms in here. I mean his elbows and hands. Turn. also like the gadgets on, so I flipped it out. Put the gadget in, the other one out, put another gadget in. Yes, great storage for his gadgets, but this gadget, right? Yeah. If you not letting these come out, those, and this you put on here. Now he's all geared up. So, thanks for watching. Bye bye.